Hey traders, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is Monday, September 29, 2025. Yeah. Hey, in this video, I want to cover the market really fast. I want to cover some trades that we bought today. I'll touch on them a little bit. And then I want to talk to you about my bank statements to show doubling my account and going forward with it, okay? So hang with me here. The SPY here, we closed over the T line, which I think was fantastic. That's the black line or the 8 exponential moving average. So price is above the 8 and the 8 is above the trend indicator right here, the green dot. So right now that's giving me some bullishness. Now let's just put a big timeout for a moment. We all know the big is the market going to shut down and what's going to happen? And that is a $64,000 question. And I am prepared to go 100% cash tomorrow if I feel that things aren't working out so well, okay? If things look like they're working out bad, we could be headed to the downside, boom, and I will look at shorting. So stay tuned, especially members watching this video, stay tuned. We'll certainly get some alerts out there, and we'll be talking about it in the room tomorrow, okay? All right. Now let's come over here to T2123. VXX is down, which is great for the bulls. T2123 is underwater, which means why did I buy a couple positions today? Well, I broke my rule, all right? It's just a fact. I did break a rule here. But me personally, I don't feel there's going to be a government shutdown, okay? I think there's going to be some pushing and shoving, some name calling, yada, 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 yada. I don't think there's going to be a government shutdown. Therefore, I guess I'm kind of looking at us being bullish here. My next target, the upside, is going to be, about that 670, 50-ish area, and then maybe up here 674. But let's get that first one first. Let's just move over that little orange line first. So we'll see what happens, okay? All right, let's take a look at some charts that I did buy today. We'll see what's going on with those. I bought a little bit of BTU. BTU is rocking. Look at that. So congratulations for those that have been in BTU. You deserve to stand up and take a bow. We've got a nice little pullback here, landing right. Well, let me back up a little bit, I guess. Let me get my arrow out. There we go. So we rallied up right to our 50% retracement, pull-up retracement. Looks like we walked on it a little bit. We even walked on it a little bit today. And now we're breaking out. So that makes the next target up toward that $30 range. So that's why I bought some BTU. I've been holding HL, and I'm continuing to hold that. And that looks pretty nice. It's still moving up. I did buy some Lyft, LYFT today, and many members in our room bought it. And Lyft is looking pretty good. Here we've rallied up, pulled back, broke out of my alert that I had in here. And we're looking for Lyft to move a little bit higher, okay? And right up there's the sweet spot, that 50% retracement. But I doubt seriously it's just going to go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right up there. So watch for the pullbacks on that. Let's take a look at CLF, another one I bought today. Right there. And CLF, we're heading right to that 50% retracement. I want to go to the weekly chart, and I just simply took the high of the past, it looks like April 24, and then the lowest low after that high, and that's how I arrive at that number right there. A weekly chart, this is also a rounded bottom breakout, so that actually puts the 200 period moving average in play as a possible target. But right now, that's what I'm looking for. That's my trade plan up there, about 11, maybe 12% on it. Okay, now, thanks for hanging with me. Everybody that's still here, thank you very much. I want to talk to you about my account and my goal. I make no bones about it. I don't hide from it. I share everything with you, and I will show you what I'm doing here. And you know what? This may be, it's the wrong one. Hang on. There we go. And through the magic of pausing the video recorder, I went and got the correct page that I want to show you. I will be posting this link out there for you. It will be in YouTube. I'll also at some point get it on social media there. But if you check the YouTube, below the video, I'll make sure this link is for you to go check it out. And the main purpose of this link is to keep me honest. So if you scroll down, that's what my account has done. I've got my statements right here. You take the January statement. You can go through it. Go through it how you choose. You can, whatever you want to do. Take a look at it. We've blacked out a few things, obviously, right? And but you can follow right along if you'd like to. This is the account we opened up January. The ending bank statement 4539.20, and then today I can tell you right now today, which this right here is the end of the August statement. And right now today's market close, the account is up to $11,017 is exactly where I closed. So our green line is going to be up higher. I'm on my way to double the account again for the second time. We've already made it from basically 5 to 10, and now we're going from 10 to 20. If you'd like to follow along, you can do that every month. Come in here and check the bank statement. Hey, I have losing months, right? Everybody does. Well, I don't know. Maybe some people don't. At least that's what they say. But I did. But that's trading. That's real life trading. By the way, this is a real account. It's with real money. And I hope that the statement, proves that to you. Anyway, if you're interested in joining our 14-day VIP Faster Start program, learning a little bit more on what I do to double the account, you join the first week. I'll give you a call, coaching call, kind of get you started, help you out. The second week, we'll do another coaching call. You'll also receive some other stuff, ebook and that kind of stuff. But the coaching call may help you get you really lined out. And I look forward to that, okay? Hey, number one, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Check us out every morning, Monday through Friday. We do a pre-market charts and target, where we look at charts that we're putting on our watch list, how the Road to Wealth account is doing, what else? Getting ready for the day, So join in 8:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. You can get to it through, log in through YouTube, Facebook, or X. And, enough said. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.